The Ridekick power trailer is changing the cycling experience. The motor and battery inside the trailer gives your bike a boost. Simply press the throttle and get as much boost as you desire to flatten the hills, slice through the wind, or help you arrive sweat-free. It attaches to most bikes or trikes in just minutes. No special tools are needed to install.
We like the way we can share one Ridekick trailer between our bike and trike.
Generally, we agree that he gets it on the way to our destination and I get it on the way back.
But sometimes we play rock, paper, scissors to see who wins the boost.
For many, it makes riding so fun, they're cycling more. It's a great way to improve your health. Doctors have supported the Ridekick Assist to help with rehabilitation after surgery.
I love that I can use my own bike. The electric bike conversion kit I tried last year changed the balance of my bike and made it feel heavy. With the Ridekick trailer, my bike just feels like my bike. I love it.
I wanted to bike to work, but sweat was a problem. This is the perfect solution. I can fit my lunch, briefcase, and a change of clothes. That way I can pedal home without the assist and get a workout.
Whether for transportation or recreation, Ridekick power trailers move you faster, farther, fresher, and, well, just funner.